Ever feel like you're constantly low on energy, finding it hard to concentrate, or just not feeling your best? Believe it or not, what you eat plays a huge role. Today, we're diving deep into the truth about balanced eating, why it matters, what to include in your diet, and how easy changes can lead to major benefits. Stick with me because you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. So what exactly is a balanced diet? It's not about eating salads all day or cutting out entire food groups. It's about giving your body what it needs to function at its best. Let's break it down. Carbohydrates, your body's fuel source. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, oats, and quinoa for lasting energy. Proteins, essential for muscle growth and repair. Sources like chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes are great options. Healthy fats. Good fats support brain function and heart health. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil are your friends. Vitamins and minerals. Fruits and vegetables are packed with these. They strengthen immunity and keep you glowing. Water. You might underestimate it, but hydration is key. Drink at least 8 glasses a day. Let's clear up some of the biggest food myths that might be holding you back from eating right. Carbs make you gain weight. False. Whole carbs provide energy. It's refined carbs like white bread that can be problematic. Skipping meals helps you lose weight. Nope. This slows down your metabolism and leads to overeating later. Fat should be avoided. Wrong again. Your body needs healthy fats to function properly. You need tons of protein to be healthy. While protein is important, balance is key. More isn't always better. Now that we know what a balanced diet is, let's put together a healthy, nutritious meal. Step 1. Load up half your plate with colorful vegetables. Step 2. Pick a lean protein source like grilled chicken or tofu. Step 3. Add a whole grain, such as quinoa or brown rice for energy. Step 4. Include a healthy fat, maybe some nuts or a drizzle of olive oil. Step 5. Pair it with water or an unsweetened beverage. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. Here are some easy food swaps that make a difference. Instead of white bread, go for whole grain. Swap sugary sodas with infused water or herbal tea. Replace fried snacks with air-popped popcorn or nuts. Choose dark chocolate instead of milk chocolate for a healthier treat. Eating right isn't just about food. It's a lifestyle. Here are some habits that will help you stay on track long-term. Move daily. Exercise keeps your metabolism in check and your body strong. Listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry, stop when you're satisfied. Enjoy treats in moderation. Love ice cream? Have it occasionally. Balance is key. Stay hydrated. Water plays a huge role in digestion and energy levels. The small changes you make today will lead to a healthier future. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one thing you're going to change about your diet starting today? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more tips on healthy living. Try creating your balanced meal and share it with us using the hashtag #EatRightLiveWell. Thanks for watching. Remember, small steps lead to big results. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.